In this video, I'm going to give you guys the 3 mistakes that I made as a new real estate agent so that you can avoid them when you get your real estate license. Coming up right after this.
Your trusted real estate source, one video at a time.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Alex. I'm a top producer real estate agent out here in Washington, and this whole channel is designed around real estate. So if you want to learn about real estate, learn how to invest in real estate, learn how to make money in real estate, well then think about subscribing to this channel. Now on to the video you're waiting for. The most common mistake that I see with new real estate agents is they do not follow up with their leads that they met over open houses or cold calling, any leads that they got. Now, my schedule is once a week, I follow up with my database, any new clients that I met, and it can be any weekday, just choose a day. I do Wednesdays, and you need to be very strict with this because if you don't, I guarantee you're gonna kick yourself and you're gonna lose business. Within a year, I think I counted about 10 transactions that I lost, either listings or buyers in the marketplace looking to buy, simply by not following up with them. It's such a simple task, so just set a day aside, do it, and you're not annoying people. Remember that. You're simply giving them a call, and if they don't answer, leave a message. But what you have to do is you have to call them back every single week because eventually they will call you back, and then you're gonna be the person in front of them and you're gonna provide the service to them, and in return you get a paycheck for that. Number 2 mistake I see new real estate agents make, and I did the same, was I spent money on personal ads. You know, social media, this could be Facebook, Instagram, you name it, YouTube ads. What you really need to be doing as a new real estate agent is building your clientele base, and do it free. There's so many free activities you can do. You can simply go meet 3 new people a week, and that does not cost any money. You could door knock, you can cold call, you should sit open houses every single weekend, Saturday and Sunday, to get new clients. And I love open houses because everyone coming into an open house is a buyer in the marketplace, and maybe they have a house they want to sell as well. So what happens when you start doing personal ads, and you'll realize this the longer you're in the business, is that when you already have an established name, people are going to recognize you when they see your face on an ad. They see your name. But if you build your clientele and your brand from ground up, doing free activities, it's going to be a lot more solidified and strong brand. And then when you start doing social media advertising or whatever advertising you want to do, it's only going to strengthen that brand even more and give you a greater reach. Number 3 mistake that I made, and please do not make the same, is not getting contact info at open houses that you are sitting. Not just wasting your time in an open house, just sitting on a chair waiting for people to come in. It's a very strategic activity. You're trying to get new business. You're trying to get first and last names, phone numbers, and emails so you can plug all these people into your database. You can follow up with them and you can make them new clients. The sooner you realize as a new real estate agent that once they walk out of the front door, they're gone. The money's gone, the paycheck that you might have got is gone. They're not gonna reach out to you. The sooner you realize that in sales, the better, so you can start using communication skills in order to present value to the consumer in front of you so they think you're the trusted representative that they need in order to buy or sell their house. And then you're gonna start developing relationships that way and building your business off of that. Here you guys have it. Those were the 3 common mistakes that I made during my first year as a new real estate agent. So please don't do the same. Follow up with your database. Do not spend money on personal ads. Do free activities. Try to meet 3 new people a week, and then get contacts at open house. That's the reason you're sitting at an open house. You're not just wasting your time. So get contacts. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the video coming this Friday. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys then. Peace.